All right, so we've got the original Thomas screws that I'm reusing here. These are my number 12 machine screws with self-locking nuts on the back. I got 3 of those down there. I've got to put a piece of angle behind this with a brace to stiffen this. I've yet to do that. I thought I was done for the day, but I'll do that first. And then under here, I use flathead Phillips countersunk screws down here. I had some stainless ones. So this will close nice and flush. And on top of this, I'm going to put a little strip of weather stripping just to keep the rattle out of it and give it a good seat. Looks like it's got a little bit of a bow to it. I might have to bend it some. But yeah, coming along great. I didn't do any extra trimming around there. That's good enough for me. It's a little bit tighter gap around there than on the other side of the bus, but it's so close it doesn't matter. Okay guys, done. Now we're ready for final paint preparation. So I got my rivets installed here and they're sealed. This is where the original little rain gutter thing was over the original compartment, which was only about that big. Okay. What can I tell you here? I painted all the edges. First I sanded and got off any little rust where the paint was dinged. Painted all the edges. On the bus, before I installed the sheet metal, I painted the flange where all that goes with primer. I deburred everything. Got my little stainless steel screws down that end. Before I installed here, this structural piece that's here, I sprayed undercoating on it, outside and inside behind the sheet metal. Sprayed a little undercoating on there